Hey everyone, welcome back. This is the fifth video of the series Learn Chess from the Scratch. I hope you have watched all the previous videos. So in this video, we are going to learn how to win the game. In my first video, I had said if we trap the opponent's king, that's how we will win the game. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk more on that part of the game, like how to trap the king and what are the terms related to it. You must have heard check, checkmate. Yeah, I'm going to talk about those terms. Okay, so how to trap opponent's king, let's start. Okay, so before we go further, we need to know three things. First is what is a check. Second is how to get out of the check, how to get away from a check. And third thing is what is a checkmate. Okay, so let's start. Look at the position on the chessboard. White has two pawns, one rook and a king, and black also has two pawns, one rook and a king. Okay, so let's suppose I am the white player here and I want to attack black king. Yeah, I want to win the game, so I will obviously try to attack black's king and want to trap the opponent's king. So I'm using my rook to do that. I'm taking my rook to a7 square so that it is attacking the king. Yeah? Rook moves along the files and ranks. Do you remember? Yeah. So in this position, the rook on a7 is attacking the black king. Yeah. So the process of attacking the king is known as a check. So whenever we are attacking a king, yeah, whenever we are attacking a king or the opponent is attacking our king, that move is called as check. So in this position, what I did is rook to a7. So this move is known as a check. Rook a7 check. Okay. So yeah, in this position I have gave a check with my rook. We can give check with all the other pieces. Let's add a bishop on e1 and I'm going to try to give a check with my bishop. Okay, bishop h4 and bishop is attacking the black king now, so it's a check with the bishop. Next, let's try to attack with a queen. Let's put a queen on g1. I'll take the queen to g7 and now my queen is attacking the king, so the queen is giving a check. Let's put a pawn on f5 and I'll push the pawn one step forward, so the pawn is attacking the king now and it's a check. So you get the idea what's a check, right? Okay, so now let me put the king on c7. Let's say this is the position, starting position. Yeah, and I'm trying to attack the black king by putting my king on d7. Now is that possible? Does it make sense? No, because if I put my king to d7, the black king will be the first one to kill the white king. That's why a king can never give a check. Two kings can never come close to each other. Okay, except the king, all the other pieces can give a check. Okay, so yeah, you are playing chess and your opponent attacks your king and it's a check. So what will you do in that situation? How to get away from check? So there are three ways to get away from check. Okay, let me add a bishop here. Let me put the king on g7. Okay, let's give the same check. Rook to a7, attacking the king. And now black has three ways to get out of the check. I call it as ABC of checks. A for avoid, B for block, and C for capture. So let's see what it is. A for avoid. Avoid means we have to move the king away from the attacking line of the piece who is giving a check. Big sentence, right? In this position, the rook is giving the check. Okay, his attacking line is this whole 7th rank. So to avoid this check, black king needs to get out of this line. Yeah, he needs to find a safe square for his king. And yeah, he is out of the check. Okay, that's avoid. King f6 is safe, king g6 safe, king h6 safe. He can even go to 8th rank, f8, g8 and h8. All these squares are safe. Can he go to f7? No, because it is in the line of attack of the rook. So he can't move there. He has to run away. Okay, so that is for avoid. What is block? Okay. So a block is black king can take help of his army, his other pieces, to stop the check. How will he do that? He will keep one of his pieces in between the line of attack of the piece who is giving a check. For example, this rook on f4 can come to f7. And that rook on f7 is now blocking the check, right? It is no longer a check. White rook is not attacking the king. There is a rook in between. So this is block. Okay. Black has gotten away out of the check. Okay. Let's put the rook back. The third way. The third way is C. C for capture. So what is capture? Capture means killing the piece who is giving the check. So can you find out who can kill white's rook right now? Very good if you find out the answer. The black bishop can just kill the white rook. And there is no longer a rook on the chessboard. And there is no check on the black king. And black king is saved. Okay. So that is A, B, C of checks. A for avoid. You have to move the king away from the check. B for block. You have to put some of our piece in between the check. Okay. And third is C for capture. You have to capture or kill the piece who is giving the check. That's how we can get away from a check. Okay. So yeah. Now let me ask you a question. What will happen if A, B, C of check is not working? Let's see this position. In this position, let's say white places his rook on A8 and it's a check. White rook is attacking the black king. Okay. So black king says, okay, what are the options? We have three options: avoid, block and capture. So let's say if I can avoid this check, can I go to the 7th rank, f7, g7, h7? No, I can't, because the other rook is guarding that rank. So the rook cannot run, the king cannot come on the 7th rank. So he cannot avoid the check. He cannot get out of this check. Okay, doesn't matter. We still have block and capture. Let's say if we can put any of black's pieces in between the line of attack of this rook. Can this pawn go to d8? No, that's not how the pawn moves. Can this bishop somehow get in between the line of attack? Nope. Can this rook? Nope. There is a pawn on e5. So the rook cannot get to e8. Yeah, so the block option is not possible. Okay, let's see for the capture. Can any of black's piece kill the rook on a8, because that's who is giving a check? No, black's pieces cannot kill the rook. So in this position for black, avoid, block and capture is not possible. He cannot get away from this check. So what is it? Yeah, this is known as checkmate. We have successfully trapped the black king and we have won the game. Yeah, whenever we are giving a check, and from that check if our opponent cannot get out of, then that check is known as checkmate. It will be checkmate and we will win the game. Okay, that's how we want to win the game. We want to checkmate our opponent's king. Okay, that's it guys. This is how we win the game. And if you have any doubt about how to give a check, what is a check, what is ABC of check, if you have any doubt in this matter, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. I will try to clear your doubt. And yeah, so this is it for this video. In the next video I want to talk about attack and defense, like how can we kill opponent's pieces, how will we protect our own pieces. Okay, so till then, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and I hope you learn something out of it. And if you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that I can continue making new videos for you. Thank you very much guys.